Kugoo is an electric scooter manufacturer that was founded in 2015. Their e-scooters are marketed under two different names, Kugoo and Kugoo Kirin. This review is about Kugoo Kirin M4 Pro. However, you can very often see that people call this just Kugoo M4 Pro. In this review, you are going to find out pros and cons of Kugoo M4, how it performs on different terrains, are these suspensions suitable for off-roading, how portable it is, and much more. We have a lot to cover, so let's get going. Kugoo M4 Pro e-scooter is equipped with a 500-watt rear hub motor. Most budget scooters have a motor of 300 to 400 watts, so this one has a bit more power. The motor has three different speed modes, 1, 2 and 3. By changing these, you can alter the top speed and energy consumption. The advertised top speed of the Kugoo M4 Pro is 45 km per hour. The most I saw on the display was 42 km per hour. The acceleration is quite smooth, not too aggressive, but definitely not sluggish. The motor has enough power and torque to climb moderate hills. The scooter had no problems climbing this quite steep bridge ramp. Although the Kugoo M4 Pro is a budget electric scooter, it comes with a very solid battery. The battery has 864 watt-hours of energy capacity, which can provide up to 75 kilometers of range. Of course, the exact range depends a lot on the weight of the rider and the chosen riding mode, so most probably the real range is a bit less than that. Since the scooter is pretty fast, it is essential to have a good stopping power. Kugoo M4 Pro comes with mechanical disc brakes. Both the rear and front wheels have cable-driven disc brakes. Of course, these brakes won't be as smooth and efficient as hydraulic disc brakes, and with mechanical brakes you have to consider some squeaky noise. But still, the brakes on this Kugoo electric scooter perform well, and there are no problems with stopping power. The frame of the Kugoo M4 is made of aluminum alloy. It's strong and seems durable. Therefore, the scooter is quite heavy. Kugoo M4 Pro weighs about 24 kilograms. But thanks to the strong frame, the Kugoo M4 has a large carrying capacity. It can support riders up to 150 kilograms. The deck of the Kugoo M4 e-scooter is very big. You can easily fit your feet however you like. The deck also has a nice rubber platform that provides a good grip. It's a nice safety feature in case you have slippy shoes. Most cheap electric scooters lack a suspension system, and therefore the ride quality is not quite it. The Kugoo M4 Pro is an exception here. It has dual suspensions on top of both wheels. Although the suspensions look cheap, it increases the ride quality a lot. However, these suspensions are not meant for rough off-roading. When riding on a bumpy forest trail, you can hear very loud rattling noise and the ride quality is rather poor. But for riding in the city, these suspensions, accompanying 10-inch tires, are doing just great. They provide good ride quality and absorb some occasional bumps easily. The M4 Pro has a nice folding mechanism. It takes just a couple of seconds to fold or unfold the scooter. In addition to the folding stem, the M4 has foldable handlebar, so you really can shrink it down very small and it doesn't need a big space for storage. But in terms of portability, we can't say Kugoo M4 is very portable. It weighs about 25 kilograms, so you don't want to carry it for more than a few steps. Also, you need a quite big car to fit it into the trunk. I had to lower the back seat to fit the scooter in the trunk. The handlebar is quite wide. As mentioned before, the handlebar is collapsible and you can also adjust the height. You can make it taller or shorter if you need to. It's very useful if there are different riders with different heights. The Kugoo M4 Pro is equipped with a front LED headlight, red rear light with braking indication and side lights. You definitely won't be unseen when riding in the dark. To sum it up, let's quickly recap the pros and cons of this e-scooter. The Kugoo M4 Pro has quite affordable price tag. For about 700 euros, it's unusual to get dual suspensions. The scooter also has a pretty long range, good stopping power and high payload capacity. But nothing is perfect, right? So on the negative side, the scooter is heavy and not so portable. Since the handlebar is collapsible and adjustable, there are many joints that can get loose. So you have to tighten the plastic screws and the stem clamp often, otherwise it gets loose and starts rattling. Also, the front spring suspensions are not very high-end and they make a pretty loud noise when riding on a bumpy road. But overall, it's not a bad scooter. If you are looking for an affordable commuter scooter with a reasonable range, the Kugoo M4 Pro is worth consideration. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next videos.